Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Walmart Seller Center account setup, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Walmart Seller Center account, start by navigating to the Walmart Seller Center website. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information in the registration form. This will include details such as your business name, email address, and phone number. Once you have entered your information, agree to the terms and conditions. After that, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Walmart. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Walmart Seller Center. Now, log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, you will be prompted to fill out more details about your business. Provide information such as your business type, tax identification number, and address. Next, you will need to enter your payment information. This will allow Walmart to process transactions and manage payouts. Once all the necessary information is entered, review everything for accuracy. Then, submit your application for review. Walmart will take some time to review your application. You will receive an email notification once your account is approved. If approved, log back into the Seller Center using your credentials. Now, complete your profile by adding your business logo and additional details. Next, set up your product listings by clicking on the Add Products button. You can add products manually or upload a bulk sheet if you have many items. Make sure to provide detailed descriptions and images for each product. Finally, set your shipping options and return policies. After completing these steps, you are ready to start selling on Walmart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.